If you want to merge two surveys in SurveyMonkey, the fastest way is to use the multi-survey analysis feature inside Data Studio. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can combine survey results, compare responses, and discover connections across different surveys. Just keep in mind that this feature may require an upgraded plan, so I'll point that out as we go. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the homepage, sign into the account that contains the surveys you want to work with. After you're logged in, look for the multi-survey analysis option. This is the feature that lets you bring survey data together in one place instead of looking at each survey separately. Click on Multi-Survey Analysis to open the tool. SurveyMonkey will take you into the Data Studio area where you can combine, compare, and explore relationships between different survey datasets. This is especially useful if you ran similar surveys at different times, collected feedback from separate groups, or want to compare results from multiple projects side by side. Once you're inside, you'll see that SurveyMonkey positions this as a reporting and analysis feature rather than a traditional one-click merge button. That means the goal is to analyze multiple surveys together, not simply paste one survey into another. So if your objective is to connect the data, compare answers, or review trends across surveys, this is the right place to do it. Now, here's something important. SurveyMonkey notes that multi-survey analysis is available on certain upgraded plans. So if you don't see the option fully available, or if the feature is locked, that may be because your current plan does not include it. In that case, you will need to upgrade your subscription to unlock the ability to combine and analyze surveys together. If you do have access, continue by selecting the surveys you want to compare. From there, you can start building your analysis view and work with the combined results. The exact layout may vary depending on your account and plan, but the core idea stays the same. Use multi-survey analysis in Data Studio to merge insights from more than one survey. This is a very helpful workflow if you want to save time and avoid exporting files into spreadsheets just to compare answers manually. Instead, SurveyMonkey gives you a built-in way to bring survey data together inside the platform itself. That makes it easier to spot patterns, review similarities, and make better decisions from your feedback. So to quickly recap, go to SurveyMonkey, click Multi-Survey Analysis, use the Data Studio tools to combine and compare your surveys, and make sure your plan supports the feature. If needed, upgrade your plan to access the full functionality. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.